Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of desirable. Wanted or wished for as being an attractive, useful, or necessary course of action. For example, it is desirable to exercise some social control over technology. American pronunciation. Desirable. Desirable. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Desirable. Say. Desirable. Desirable means wished for as being attractive, useful, or necessary course of action. Desirable. Desirable. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Medicinal herbs are still deemed desirable, but flowers are not mentioned. Now, repeat after me. Medicinal herbs are still deemed desirable, but flowers are not mentioned. The second practice. Secondary operations raise cost and are not considered desirable to cost-effective pricing. Now, repeat after me. Secondary operations raise cost and are not considered desirable to cost-effective pricing.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.